Let's make a delicious granola cake. Here a cup of whole rolled oats. First ingredients we need to make cake. Take a bowl, put eggs, vanilla powder, oil, yogurt, sugar, beat them well. Sift white flour and baking powder, mix them all and pour it into mold. Now things we need for the topping. Put some walnuts, brown sugar, almonds, white flour, cinnamon powder, butter and mix them all together. Pour over the cake, then bake it in oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Now take it out from the oven and pour some condensed milk over the granola cake and cut it into pieces and serve it as in platter and pour some condensed milk again. Now ready to eat. Enjoy.